Hello everybody, welcome to an R Sports Squared video. In today's video, we are unboxing Upper Deck 2020-2021 Series 1 hockey cards. Some special cards we are looking out for are Lafreniere Young Guns cards, any Connor McDavid cards because, well, they're Connor McDavid cards, and any jersey swatch cards. So let's start the unboxing. First pack. Ooh, they're hard cards to open. Okay, there we go. See the first couple cards we got here. Ooh, an Alex Lafreniere Young Guns card. We better sleeve that one. Special card. Well, that was a pretty good first pack. Let's see what we get in the next one. There we go. Quinn Hughes card, not bad. Ovechkin, interesting. James Neal card, I'm not sure. Interesting pack, some pretty good players, but no special cards. Moving on to pack number 3. Oh, we might need some help with these ones. Open those up. Oh, a Braden Point, nice. Second. Oh, I'm seeing a special one. Max Domi Portraits. Yeah, I think we'll sleeve that one. Special one. Ben Bishop and Riddick and Miles Wood. 2 goalie cards. And we'll do one more pack. Nice rip there. Let's see what we got. Healer's card. Nice. Very nice. A pretty interesting pack. We'll do one more pack just to see what we got. There we go. Ripped on one side at least. Kerfoot. Ooh, a Darnell Nurse card. Young Guns Anderson. Nice, very nice. Oshie. O'Reilly card. Nicole Kopitar. Very nice. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We have 2 more packs, but I think we're going to save those for part 2 of the video. So, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Part 2 of this will be out shortly, unless it's already out. So remember to like the video and subscribe for more content. See you next time.